The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This elegant Vietnamese soup consists of plump cabbage leaves wrapped around a savory filling of ground pork and shrimp, seasoned with fish sauce, black pepper, and fragrant 5-spice powder. Each roll is tied securely with a blanched spring onion green, a charming, rustic touch that keeps the filling intact during simmering. The rolls are then gently simmered in a clear chicken stock until tender, producing a light yet deeply flavorful broth that is the hallmark of a Vietnamese canton. Served with a side of ensaid cam, this dish is comforting, healthy, and beautiful enough for a dinner party, yet simple enough for a family weeknight meal. The rolls can be prepared in advance and refrigerated until you are ready to cook the soup. Makes 16 rolls. Preparation time 25 minutes. Cooking time 15 minutes. For wrapping, cabbage leaves, blanched in boiling water for 1-2 minutes until soft, then drained, 16. Spring onion greens, blanched in boiling water for 10 seconds until soft, then drained, 16. Filling, ground pork, 8 ounces. Fresh medium shrimp, peeled and deveined, 8 ounces. Spring onion bulbs, 16. Sliced coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons. Fish sauce, 2 teaspoons. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. 5-spice powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Chicken stock, or 2-3 stock cubes dissolved in 6 cups hot water, 6 cups. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce dip, finger-length chilies, de-seeded and sliced, 2-3, garlic, 3 cloves, sugar, 1/4 cup, freshly squeezed lime juice, 3 tablespoons, vinegar, 1 tablespoon, fish sauce, 3 tablespoons, water, 1/2 cup, salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the fish sauce dip. Grind the chilies and garlic to a coarse paste in a mortar or blender. Combine with the sugar, lime juice, vinegar, fish sauce, water, and salt, then mix until the sugar is fully dissolved. Set aside. Step 2. Blanch the cabbage leaves. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully separate 16 whole large cabbage leaves from the head. Blanch the leaves in the boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes until they are soft and pliable but still bright green. Remove them with tongs and drain on a clean kitchen towel. Trim away any thick central ribs so the leaves roll easily without splitting. Step 3. Blanch the spring onion greens. Using the same boiling water, blanch the 16 spring onion greens for about 10 seconds until wilted and supple. Remove immediately, rinse under cold water to stop the cooking, and drain on a towel. These will serve as natural ties for the cabbage rolls. Step 4. Make the filling. Place the ground pork, peeled shrimp, spring onion bulbs, coriander leaves, fish sauce, salt, black pepper, and 5-spice powder into a blender or food processor. Grind everything to a smooth, well-combined paste. Transfer to a bowl and set aside. The 5-spice powder adds a warm, aromatic depth that distinguishes this Vietnamese filling from other cabbage roll traditions. Step 5. Roll the cabbage rolls. Lay a blanched cabbage leaf flat on a work surface. Place 1 heaping tablespoon of the filling along one edge of the leaf. Fold the leaf over the filling, then fold in the sides and roll up tightly to enclose the filling completely. Tie the rolls securely with a blanched spring onion green as if tying a small parcel. Repeat with the remaining ingredients to make a total of 16 rolls. The rolls can be prepared in advance and refrigerated at this stage until you are ready to cook. Cooking steps. Step 1. Bring the stock to a boil. Pour the chicken stock into a large stock pot and add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Bring the stock to a boil over high heat. Step 2. Add the cabbage rolls. Gently lower the cabbage rolls into the boiling stock one by one, taking care not to crowd the pot. Work in batches if necessary so each roll has room to cook evenly. Step 3. Return to a boil. Allow the stock to return to a full boil. The heat will begin to permeate the cabbage leaves and cook the filling inside. Step 4. Simmer until cooked. Reduce the heat to medium, cover the pot with a lid, and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the cabbage rolls are cooked through and the filling is tender. The pork and shrimp should be fully cooked and the cabbage leaves translucent and soft. Remove from the heat. Step 5. Serve hot. Ladle the hot broth and cabbage rolls into individual serving bowls, 3 to 4 rolls per person. Serve immediately with a bowl of fish sauce dip on the side. Diners can dip the rolls into the sauce for an extra kick of salty, sweet, sour, and spicy flavor. This soup is best enjoyed with steamed jasmine rice and other Vietnamese dishes as part of a communal family meal.